Morning everybody, back at it again. I've only got half a day today and then I'm popping out and we're going to go on a little field trip to go and get some things from the garage we're hiring and bringing them here. Going to get on with, as you can see, the MF ceiling brackets and try and get some more of the MF done and insulated as much as I can this morning. Yeah, so be good. So I was talking on the camera earlier. The electrician come knocking on the door, scared the living hell out of me. So I stopped recording. Too embarrassed. He's come in here. He's put all of these sockets that were missing, which was confusing. The switch over there. It's just everywhere. There was the sockets and whatnot missing. Apparently the Polish plasterers over here just plastered over everything rather than letting it show where they are. Yeah, so it made life difficult for everyone else. But they're all in now. I'm done in here for today. I've run out of fixings and I need to go pick up the van after lunch and have my last bits out of the garage out and brought over here. Might take you long for that. We'll see.
So we are moving the garages today. We're moving from this garage to a fancy new garage.
To our garage.
To our garage in a new flat.
Rented. How easy was it to find this van, sorry?
We rented the van from this lovely company for 22 euros.
And 500 euros.
And 500 euros deposit we had to pay. And ta-da! The
My
baby.
baby.
Jack's baby. All this fuss and fuss for this.
In my bike, which I had when I was 17, this bike is now 25 years old. It's a classic. And I'm slowly restoring it back to her former glory. Bring it all the way from England to Slovakia.
Is the bike going first?
Yes.
So shall we? So,
I bought all the keys, apart from the important ones.
what do you mean?
Ones for the bike and the locks.
Oh, come on.
Huh?
So Jack forgot the keys from the bike, so we have to go back home. Obviously he forgot something else. I should check him properly before we go anywhere next time.
What are you moaning about?
Nothing. I don't like wasting time.
Huh?
I don't like wasting time.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. rubbish on it.
If you want, you don't have to. Do we have to?
Yeah.
We have to take it out?
We said we would, wouldn't we? Yeah?
You can just stop in any bin then.
Pugs.
I'll come here.
Not world's longest drive. 5 minutes. Let's get it. Get me baby on strapped, ready to go in there. Yeah, do this.